Wanted to show you guys this helmet shade that I made like a week or two ago. Obviously here in Florida, the sun is super intense, so I wanted to protect my face and my neck from the sun. So actually a friend of mine kind of created something similar to this out of a different material. I didn't have that kind of plastic that he had, but I found this car windshield shade in the trash down the street and just kind of cut out my own shape. You know, just designed it myself. Nothing special about that. The only thing kind of unique is I do have a cutout here for my rear view mirror. But other than that, it's a pretty basic shape. Kind of gets longer in the back. And yeah, just cut it out, kind of how I felt it would be appropriate. And for the inside, the way I did that is, you can actually see the marker, but I set my helmet on after I cut the outside shape and then traced around the helmet perimeter. And then cut the circle about 1 inch inbound from that. And then just kind of trimmed it. It looks like I could even trim this a little bit more. I didn't notice that until just now. And I've already worn it probably a dozen times on bike rides. But anyway, so just cut it about 1 inch inbound from where I made that line. And just trimmed as needed. And it's actually worked really well at keeping the sun off my neck and off my face. For the shorter trips that I've been doing so far, I haven't had to put any sunscreen on my face or neck, which has been nice. For longer trips, I suspect I would still want to put some sunscreen on because the light will still reflect off the road and back at your face. So on a longer ride, you probably still want sunscreen, but it eliminates the need for sunscreen, at least for me on the shorter rides, 30 minutes or an hour or so. And also to affix the shade onto the helmet, I ended up using these Velcro straps here. They're just, I got, I think 200 of them for like $8 on Amazon. Originally I used zip ties, but I figured these would be better because if I was on a longer tour, I might want to take it off. Imagine it's really windy or there's just cloud. It's a very cloudy day. And in those conditions, I wouldn't want the shade. So with these these Velcro straps, there's 5 of them, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can simply take them off and fold the shade up and put it away. And yeah, that is the one disadvantage. So if you're going against the wind, especially if it gets really strong, if you lift your head kind of up a little bit, you can really feel the wind press the whole helmet, almost like it wants to pick the helmet off your head. But it does take quite a gust to feel that, and even then you can kind of tilt your head down. So it does have a limitation in that in a windy condition, you can feel it. So that's the only drawback I would say so far. And in the maybe dozen times I've used it, I haven't felt like the wind was so strong that it was bothering me too much. But certainly if it was really windy, you wouldn't want to have this. So, and I've been wearing it. I wear it inside the grocery store and everything. I get some questions about it and some looks and comments, but it's fine. It actually holds on pretty well just with these 5 Velcro straps. I haven't had any issue with it coming off, and I haven't had to adjust them. Another good thing about it is it weighs practically nothing. Outside of the air resistance and so forth, you don't really feel it on your head at all. I mean, this material is very thin and very lightweight. And I guess I'll add that I have an identical Smith helmet, so that if I don't want to wear it, or it's nighttime and I absolutely don't need it, or evening time, I just throw this one on. So it's nice having 2 helmets. So although it doesn't look super amazing, it actually works really good, and I'm really happy with it so far. So let me know in the comments what you think. Bye.